Hello everyone, my name is Connor and welcome back to Doom. We're just gonna continue where we left off last time. So, yeah. So last time we got a pistol, then we got our armor, and crazy weird demon visions, and then a shotgun. So that's fun. Hopefully we will have just as much fun now. Once it loads. Still loading. Start loading. Know your enemy. So, good thing. Good idea. Freaking sure. Sorry, just a picture.
Hello, I am Vega, the
Hi.
sentient intelligence assigned to Mars.
I don't have
After
emotes.
running diagnostics on the Praetor suit, it appears that I can activate optional challenges that, when completed, will assist in upgrading your arsenal at an
Looks like
accelerated
press
pace.
down
I
to
have added a tracking component to your dossier.
Okay. So kill two of the possessed with one trigger pull from the shotgun. Okay. Perform 5 for glory kills on the possessed. So find 3 secrets. So there's a lot of secrets to find apparently. Hold on a second though. Okay then. Let's go.
Main power.
Okay. Ah, okay, so Vega is an artificial intelligence. Well, I'm pretty sure that was kind of obvious. Oh. Hey, bad. Bad, no, 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 no. Bad. Okay.
Main power offline. All entrances non-operational.
Well, crap. Okay, maybe over here? Oh. Okay. Ooh. That's the thing.
Offline. All entrances non-operational.
Okay then. Ooh, whoopie button. I booped the button. Yeah.
Main power online.
I believe in honesty, especially now, in what will be your final moments in this world. All the rumors, the human sacrifices, the hell portal, the demons. It's all true.
No.
My sisters and brothers, be thankful. You will be the first. You will have a seat alongside them, just as I will, in what will become the new world that they create for us.
Oh my
Stop.
god.
Now.
Okay, hold up. I can't destroy the computer screen by shooting it with a gun. Lame. Okay. Secrets. Neat. So I can find 3 secrets? Find 3 secrets.
I believe in honesty.
Does that thing put... Oh, that was a...
In what will be your final moments in this world?
Is that playing on repeat?
The human sacrifices,
Yes, that's gonna be annoying.
the demons.
Oh, I can interact with it now.
True.
Map. Oh,
My sisters and brothers, be thankful.
I can hear it in the map. That's
Have
annoying.
a seat alongside them, just as I will. In what
Holy
will become the new world
crap.
They create for us. Starting now.
This is massive area. Okay. I'm getting away from that from that thing because that's loud. That is incredibly loud. No, it follows us. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Okay. No, I want that.
My sisters and brothers, be thankful.
Yeah. And there we go. Different a weapon up. Oh, weapon up. Okay. The research time. Dwelling time. Let's do the loading time. Okay, yeah.
Create for us.
Oh. That's very fast. Okay, yeah. Excuse me. Oh, dang, I did not know that was gonna happen. Okay. I am at max armor.
And what will be your final?
Okay. Okay, I guess it's dead. It's definitely. I have no idea where I'm going.
My sisters and brothers, be thankful.
I'm assuming I'm going the right way, though.
You will have a seat alongside them, just as I will.
But you know what they say about assuming.
Create for us. Starting
No.
now.
What do they say about assuming? I know it. Oh, crap. Well, that sucks. What was I saying again? I don't know. Probably wasn't important. Okay, this seriously. So the thing says to go this, or wait, hold up. Okay,
Will be your final
yeah, okay.
in this world.
I go down this. Do I still have the? Yeah, okay. I got that completed. That's good.
It's sisters and brothers, be thankful. Alongside them, just as I will. What will become the new world that they create for us.
Oh, whoa.
Starting.
Excuse me, sir, you are very rude. Oh, this is where I was going for. Oh my god, where am I? I think it's gonna be a recurring problem for me, not knowing where I'm getting attacked from.
Your final
Oh,
in this world.
don't even climb up there. Okay, that is brutal, and I love it.
It's true. My sisters and brothers, be
This looks like a good spot to go. Oh,
have a seat alongside them, just
possessed engineer. Wait, hold on. We have dramatic changes to physiology, both section fundamentally changing the goes to the high intensity plasma. Wait, what? Sorry, to fuse metal to skip. Oh, that's gross. So they literally have explosives stuck inside of them, like as a part of them.
Demonic presence.
That's
Safety.
just a tiny bit, creepy. You know? Okay, I'll have that grenade, please. Yeah. Oh, twofer. Jeez, I need more ammo. Excuse me, is there someone behind me? Yes, there is. Oh, and there goes. Oh, crap. Oh, what? Whoa! Oh, there's my head. Hello, head. Oh, okay. I think there was an exploding barrel behind me, and like an imp threw a fireball towards me, but missed and exploded the barrel. That's what I think just happened there. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Presence at unsafe levels. Lockdown in effect.
I like how they just have an automated system that's like demonic presence at unsafe levels. Please leave the area immediately or you're gonna be friggin' screwed. Yeah. Oh, for... Ooh. Ooh. Hello, hello, hello. Ooh. Ooh, that was good. I like that one. Oh, yeah, oh, a thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to stay mobile. So that seems to be a very important factor in this game. Staying mobile at all times. Oh.
Demonic presence eliminated. Lockdown disengaged.
Okay, crap, I only have one bullet left in my shotgun. That's not good. I need more bullets. Oh. Oh. What did that do? Ooh. Okay. Was that it? Just ammo? And health? And more health up here? Ooh. Oh, what's over here? Is there anything over here? Did I find a secret? Ooh. Man, stupid plant. Ooh.
Here at the UAC,
Oh.
growing workforce, and each year we harvest the
Oh.
best of the best.
Oh.
Challenges to become more than you ever dreamed you could be.
Oh, yes. Okay, press X for chainsaw. Got it. I guess I guess there were bars of the. Oh,
The UAC,
I guess that's a
the
medical
world is
thing.
counting on us. How committed are you?
Snack machine! I want snacks. Give me snacks. I want the pizza. And the french fries. And the taco. And just the bacon. And the pancakes.
Here at the UAC, we take pride
Okay.
in nurturing a growing workforce, and each year we
Oh! Holy crap! I love this thing! Oh, it's such a lot of it! Oh! That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It seems to get a... Ooh! That's a new one. Boom. I see armor back there. Find the yellow access key. Where do I get a yellow key? Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Do you have a key? What the? I assume you have a key. Okay, well, how do I get through there? Nope. Oh, I guess it's through this little hole then. Ooh, okay, so I guess chainsaws use the gas canisters. Huh? Ooh, armor, thank you. That's a bit spooky. Boom! Oh, that is so satisfying.
Demonic presence
Yeah.
in unsafe
There's a gore nest. Looks like we're gonna have a fight on our hands, boys! Hi-ya! Well, that sucked.
Demonic
Okay, I'm gonna
presence
start
in
this
unsafe
fight.
level.
It's just so weird how the gore nest screams. Ooh! Ooh, that is so good. Oh my. Hey, stop running away. Stop that. Stop it. I need help. Okay, crap. I need help. Okay. Okay, crap. I need help. Thank you. Oh! We both have the same idea.
Demonic presence eliminated. Lockdown disengaged.
Okay. Okay, I guess we're on here now. There's Hologram Man. Hello, Hologram Man. Oh. Bye, Hologram Man. I'm gonna follow you like a creep. Oh, this is an ele- Come on! Come faster! Yeah! No, go! Dum dee dum dee dum dee dum dee dum dee dum. Hologram Man. Why are you attacking me? Oh! Oh! Another drone! Oh. Well, I guess that's where Hologram Man went. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this ammo, and I'm gonna You know what? Yeah, let's try out the explosive shot. What do you switch? Okay, so you press up on the D-pad to switch between weapon mods. Okay, let's try out. Let's Santa come alive. No, he is not going to come alive. Okay. Oh my god! I thought you were gonna come alive! You lied to me. Woo! Okay, hold up. What the fudge? I frickin' launched an explosive at you. How did you not die? Oh, you tried to jump scare me. Huh? 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 Yeah, that's right, disappear into nothing.
Access
Yeah.
granted.
Get that right, bruh.
Welcome to the UAC's Mars installation, located in the vast Hellas Plain impact basin. This high-tech mining and research facility is
Ooh.
each and every day. As a valued employee, your loyalty is more than just a commitment to the UAC.
Oh, heavy assault rifle. Yeah, shut up, spokesperson. Weapon wheel. Okay, so yeah, I know the weapon wheel. Okay, so this gives me all my health back. That's nifty. No mod. It sucks. We'll get one eventually, I'm sure. Open up. Actually, you know what? I think that's where we're going to leave it off today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys had a lot of fun too. Check out some of my other videos. If you want to, that is. You don't have to. I mean, I'm not gonna, like, force you to or anything, but it'd be nice. Okay, bye.